A frequently asked question at Red Clean is, do you clean roofs all year round? The simple answer is yes. Our company prides itself on offering comprehensive roof cleaning services regardless of the season. We've developed specialised techniques and strategies to tackle roof cleaning in any weather conditions. Understanding the importance of maintaining the integrity and appearance of your roof all year. The Winter Challenge, cleaning in the cold and tackling winter's unique conditions. Winter roof cleaning requires careful consideration of factors like snow, ice and low temperatures. Safety measures. Our team is trained to handle icy conditions, ensuring their safety and the integrity of your roof. Snow and ice removal. We carefully remove snow and ice before cleaning to prevent water damage and leaks. Cold weather cleaning techniques. We use specialised equipment that function efficiently in cold temperatures, ensuring thorough cleaning without damage to your shingles or tiles. The importance of winter maintenance. Regular winter cleaning prevents the build-up of moss and algae, which can be more prolific in wet and cold conditions. This maintenance is crucial for extending the life of your roof and preventing long-term damage. Spring and autumn, the ideal cleaning seasons and leveraging moderate conditions. Spring and autumn offer ideal conditions for roof cleaning thanks to the moderate temperatures and generally clear weather. Comprehensive cleaning. We perform in-depth cleaning during these seasons, addressing issues like moss, algae and debris build-up. Preventative treatments. This is the perfect time for applying treatments like anti-moss or algae repellents, ensuring your roof stays cleaner for longer. Seasonal inspections and regular maintenance. Regular inspections in these seasons help identify potential issues early, preventing costly repairs. Summer. The heat factor and addressing summer's challenges. Summer's heat and sun can expose unique challenges for roof cleaning. Heat-resistant techniques. Our team uses methods and products that withstand the summer heat, ensuring effective cleaning without damage. Early morning operations. To avoid the midday heat, we often schedule our cleaning in the early morning, ensuring efficiency and safety. Preparing for extreme weather. Summer can bring extreme weather like heavy rain or storms. Our team is trained to handle these conditions, ensuring your roof is clean and prepared for any weather event. Year-round roof cleaning. Our expertise and tailored approaches for each season. Our services are not one size fits all. We tailor our cleaning methods based on the season, roof type and specific conditions. The benefits of regular roof cleaning. Regular cleaning extends the life of your roof and improves its appearance and prevents costly damage. In conclusion, our year-round roof cleaning services are designed to adapt to each season's specific challenges. With our expertise and specialised techniques, you can be rest assured that your roof will remain in excellent condition throughout the year. Don't let the weather dictate the health of your roof. Contact us today to schedule your year-round roof cleaning and enjoy peace of mind, whether it's rain, shine or snow.